Joe, looks like you're cutting up a perfectly good fence here. What's going on?
Well, it looks that way. Actually, the fence is in great shape. It's the post that we were having trouble with. These posts were originally cut square. And what happens is every time it rains, the water soaks into it, and then the post expands and the wood winds up splitting. So what I've done is I'm cutting it at a slight angle so that next time it rains, the water will run right off.
That's a lot of work to do with just using a handsaw.
Yeah, it would be if you used just a handsaw, but what I actually did is I took a 1x2 cleat and I screwed it to the back of the fence post about 3 inches down from the top. And then I took a circular saw and set it at a 15-degree bevel and made a cut. Now it won't go all the way through the post because it only cut about 3/4 of the way, and then I just finished it up with the handsaw.
But so many homeowners now have a reciprocating saw. Why wouldn't you use that?
Well, you could, but in this case, the fence panel is so close to the post, I was afraid just getting in there, I didn't wind up cutting it to the panel. And plus, it would be almost impossible because the blade's so flexible to get a nice straight square cut like that.
Now, after you've cut all of these posts off, are you going to put any sealer up there? It looks like that would be still a good idea to keep that rain from soaking in.
Yeah, you'd have to, because even though this is a pressure-treated post, the pressure-treating chemicals never soak all the way to the center of the post. So just a couple of coats of clear wood preservative, and you probably should do that at least once a year.
I see.
And that'll help keep it from cracking as this one had.
Okay, well, you've got quite a job ahead of you. There's a lot of fence posts here.
Well, you arrived just in the nick of time then.
Uh-oh.